What's good, booze? It's Sheen, boo, and you already know. It's Sheen, boo. You know who it is. I saw this ad on Instagram, and they had an ad for a free training session. Obviously, I know that's just to get you in so that they can maybe sell you something. Y'all know I've been training myself just based off of one moment. Okay, so, ooh, the lighting's not good over here. That was the trainer calling me, telling me where I could park. Sorry about the lighting. But yeah, so I'm gonna check out this free training session. I did not actually ask him if I could film. I guess I could just ask him when he gets here. But yeah, so I'll leave his information somewhere. Here, I'll do a pop up. I have his Instagram. And then you can reach out to him if you're interested. Hopefully he will let me film. That way you guys can see if you're in the Los Angeles area and you want to sign up. So, and his name is Jareth. All right, boo. So he said I could record, and as you can see on the screen, this is the fitness assessment. He's just checking out my posture and seeing if he sees any areas of concern. So that's what he's doing. And I'm super nervous. This is one of the reasons why I don't film at the gym, and I don't really, never really been a gym girl, because I feel like everybody looking at me and stuff going on or whatever. But so he's having me do this as well to assess my posture, and I'm trying to get the funnies out because I'm so unserious all the time. But I was able to pull it together. It also wasn't helping that he was cracking jokes the whole time, but after listening to him crack jokes and him just doing the assessment and stuff like that, I eventually calmed down and was able to focus. Y'all see this? I'm about to get tortured.
Oh yeah, that's a
So that's one thing too about filming in public. There's always music, and with music, you get copyrighted. So basically, he is just showing me the exercise, and I'm looking, and I'm still nervously laughing and scratching my head because I'm like, am I gonna be able to do that? And most of the exercises I do don't include jumping. And I did end up getting nauseous after this and almost threw up because, like I said, this ain't the whole workout. And that was a lot of jumping for me. I normally don't do that, and I almost threw up, and I had to take a break. But I made it through, and I'm just shaking all my nerves out. So, one thing that I greatly appreciated was his patience. And even if he showed me something and I said, hey, can you please show me again? He would take his time and show me again. And you see, after the second time, I got it, but he wanted to make a few adjustments. Most of the time, he was telling me I need to make sure I'm standing correctly. And I think in this clip, he may have been telling me I need to get a little lower. So I'm not very good at form. So that's one of the things that you do need a trainer for. You want to make sure you're doing the exercises correctly so that you get the best results. And he was very patient. See how he's reaffirming me. That's something that I need, and that's also something I can't get on my own. So I've gotten myself pretty far I'm down a total of 26 pounds, and my initial goal was to lose 49 pounds. But now that I lost the weight, I don't know if I want to lose another 20 something. I think maybe what I want to do is just tone up those arms, my tummy, and my thighs. So now he's having me lean in a push-up position and do high knees. So he showed me how to do it. That one was pretty simple. Look at him. So I got it rather quickly, but he did give me a little correction of straightening my knees out because I wasn't running straight up for the high knees. So another thing I appreciate is those 90-second rest, okay? Because listen, it looks easy when someone else is doing the exercise, but when you're actually the one doing it, it's actually quite intense. And keep in mind, I have on a resistance band this entire workout. This is only 1/4 of the workout. My main focus was just getting the help that I needed and really making the best of the session and focusing. So this is probably about 1/4 of what we actually did, but I feel like you guys seen enough to know that he's good and he knows what he's doing. So I am doing a side lunge and basically like a side lunge squat. And I had trouble doing it balancing. So he has me on a step to help me balance. If that's the wrong exercise, ask him. The wrong name for the exercise, ask him, because I don't know. But he's showing you what I'm supposed to be doing. And I was kind of losing my balance a little bit. One thing I'm not good at is balance and coordination. And he was actually helping me tremendously with balancing and with coordination. So again, I greatly appreciate him for that as well. And man, it was a great session, honestly. So now I believe I got a better hang of it. I'm just trying to balance my foot on the step, and we're switching to the other side. So immediately, if he sees something wrong, he's going to correct it. Again, making sure you're doing the exercise correctly is going to get you the best results. Okay, y'all, these battle ropes, don't underestimate these battle ropes. Okay, so what Jared is going to do is demonstrate how I need to be doing these battle ropes, and then I'm going to jump in and do what he just showed me. And you see how it's making, like, I don't know what they call it, the little ringlets. If it's not making those ringlets consistently, then you're not doing it right. So here I go. I still, again, I have on this resistance band, and he told me to go lower. And you see me making that ouch face and like laughing again because I'm nervous. Well, he told me to go lower, and he said I actually did really great at this, and I was making those ringlets. So y'all, and he had me doing this for 30 seconds. It felt like 30 minutes because baby, ooh, you could see the pain in my face. And then you're gonna see me throwing with aggression because I was so happy to let the ropes go. Like, so happy. And you know, anytime you're doing any workout, 30 seconds is a very long time. Like to be doing some battle ropes and resistance bands, and I'm out of there because that was intense. So now we're on to the next exercise. They're called dog something. I don't know what they are. If you want to know, book a session with Jared. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and just do this on one side, and then we're gonna go ahead and switch to the other side. Again, he really did work with me on the coordination. I don't like how I look from this angle. Y'all excuse the angles. Like I said, my main focus was not videoing. My focus was doing the exercises. So if you want to see better angles and things like that, better lighting, then watch some of my other videos. I primarily do makeup and natural hair here, and I do a little bit of vlogging, lifestyle vlogging. But yeah, today we are doing fitness because whatever I'm doing, I like to let you guys know. And you ain't cute if you ain't fit, okay? Let me stop. That's my own personal motto. But I feel like fitness is a part of beauty as well, which is why I'm sharing this on my beauty channel. I've been thinking about starting a fitness channel. Comment down below if I should do that. But yeah, so now I'm doing fire hydrants, and woo, I was like so glad to lay down on my back. Excuse me. Now these flutter kicks that this man is about to have me do, don't let nobody fool you. Again, it looks easy when somebody else is doing it. And I want to categorize these flutter kicks. Lord, I'm struggling to talk. And I have Invisalign. These flutter kicks are up there with childbirth. Don't let the camera fool you. This is really activating that core. My core is on fire. If you zoom into my mouth or you look, you can see me just like, oh. And that was, again, another very long 30 seconds of my life. And trainer math and regular math is not the same, because he'll say 30 seconds or 2 seconds a couple times. Y'all, I ain't got no words.
Alright, so we're going to do some lunge pulses. Okay? So regular lunges, and they're elevated too, so it's working a lot. Alright? All legs are showing themselves.
I'm still working on that BBL.
I'm still working on it. Still. We ain't never going to get off that one. Alright?
All right, so now it is my turn to execute what I just saw, and he's going to show me again. And he said that when I was going up and down, it wasn't continual, that I was stopping. And I was stopping because I was in so much pain. You could see me making that ouch face and grinding my teeth because it hurts like hell. It hurts like hell. But you know what? I got it together, and I was just, girl, go on, girl. Do it. Get it, Sheen, boo. Okay, let me stop. And then I needed a break. And I said, okay, let's just catch our breath. And then we're going to go to the other side. I think it's the other side. And we're going to do it again because I want to do it right and I want to do it correctly. And I'm glad he allowed me to film so I could see how he's doing it, how I'm doing it, and I can make my corrections when I go to do it again. Yeah, I definitely need to get some resistance bands. And I'm nervous laughing again and catching my breath. And now he's showing me the next exercise, and this was the worst of them all. Oh Lord, I was just like, you could see the pain on my face just while I'm waiting. And I was like, and I stopped myself from saying I can't. And he was like, you absolutely can. And I got it down. And this exercise that he about to show me now, I was so glad we ended with this because my hip actually popped twice. And I was already sore from the previous workouts because I work out Monday through Friday. So this was day 4 because it's Thursday. And the exercise we're about to do now actually, it stretched me, it loosened me up, and my hip actually popped twice. And this is basically the end of the workout portion. So just enjoy the video.
Finally get paid for the get down. You can't time. Do you know how many lines I done put down? Vibes I done sent out. But we ain't here to dig. I'll up the market till they come red carpet the kids. Success still the target. Soon I'll be crossing that bridge. But can't bring everybody with me. Family only. I got some people think I owe a favor. Barely know me. That's why my focus on the road. It's all I know. I see them sticking close to play the wall and watch my growth. Cause I got something they never had. So get on the beat and I need a hella pad. I float. I'm fly. You know where I'm from, so it comes as no surprise. Out the south with a mean vernacular, dream spectacular. I keep a queen and passenger, FL capital Y. Anywhere I am, jam, that's for sure. Turn me on, better set the mood.
Great workout, a great first workout. So I'm gonna let him speak for himself. He's gonna tell you his name, or you can find him in his handles.
Absolutely. So my name is Jared Kirkland. I'm a private personal trainer here in Hollywood. My Instagram for my fitness page is No Limit Dojo. That's No Limit DOJO. You can also go on www.nolimitdojo.com.
Right.
And also, if you want to follow me on my personal page, it's _ Red Ninja. That's _ RED Ninja, like Kung Fu.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with Sheen Boo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and all of that. Shine Like Sheen is where you can find me at. Hey, so follow me and keep on watching.